Hey Lawn Care Nation, so I'm outside of my local Tesla dealership right down by my house. I couldn't resist, I had to come and check out. I heard that they had taken delivery of one of the new Tesla Cybertrucks you can see there inside the showroom. So I had to come and see it in person, so let's go take a look at it. Good to see you. Yeah, or at least something you could have still been driving. It's too hard to justify paying that value you've been there. No one has So there you have it, guys. There's the new Tesla Cybertruck. Let me know what you guys think of it. Do you think it's something that you could utilize in a lawn care business? It does say that it's designed as the world's toughest pickup truck. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think.